Alright, this is trick of the month, July 2018, page 56. It's called Profit Multi 3. I guess I missed 1 and 2 somewhere. So I made a slight little change at the end. I'm going to show you. Try to sit correctly. So it's nice, impromptu, and I like the logic of it. Again, I'm going to change at the end, but the rest of the trick is the same. So you have a spectator shuffle the deck all they want, all day. They put it on the table, and then you start thinking. You say, well, I think I made up my mind. Yeah, I have a card in mind. So that's a little psychology here. You just tell them you picked a card in your mind. You don't know, but you're going to know in a second. What you do, as you take the deck, you look at the second card here, the 5 of diamonds, and you're looking for the 5 of hearts. So very quickly, you select the card that is going to be your prediction. You can find it. 5 of hearts, don't let me lie, it should be supposed to be here somewhere. There you go, 5 of hearts. So that's your prediction. Read the side. Okay, so that's kind of nice because now you have this condition here. Your prediction, they don't see it because that's the face here. So the matching card is the 5 of diamonds, right? You take the deck and put it face up on the table, and you tell them, I think you don't trust me, so let's mix the cards a little bit more. So you take maybe a quarter of the deck, and you start shuffling one by one. So basically you position the other 5 second from the back here. And you ask them to do the same thing, so they shuffle what they want. You can even be sloppy at that point. It doesn't matter. So they're convinced it's shuffled again. Now you take, I think, face down again, and you tell them, maybe you don't trust me, maybe I saw the bottom card or something. So let's burn, we call it burning cards, let's burn the top card and the bottom card. So by doing so, they ask them to do that. So you say, they take the top and put it in the middle somewhere, take the bottom card, put it in the middle somewhere. So what they have done is put your matching 5 back on top, which is a nice place to be. And then you ask them to take the deck and deal cards one by one on the table. And you say one by one, so they start dealing down. And then you start saying, or you can take clumps of cards, or you can even shuffle in between if you want. Okay? Like this, or you shuffle more, or deal a few more if you want, and stop whenever you want. So that's a very deceptive plot here because they have already positioned the card where you want it to be. Okay? And then at some point they say stop. So here's a departure from the trick described in the magazine where he does a crisscross force, which people think is the greatest thing, but if done correctly, but still I don't feel good about doing a crisscross force. Alright, so here's my take on it. It's a move I use for other tricks all the time. So this is the matching card. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a matching card here. This is what you want. And this is your prediction. So I take this in the left hand, and I say, you stop right here. And this was my prediction. You can flick it to attract the attraction there. And basically, this is an X card. Right? And what I'm going to do is buckle the bottom card, slide it, take it with the right fingers. On the top side, retract the card and flip everything over. And then you have a match. So let me do that at speed again. They said this is my prediction. This is the card that is at the bottom. This is what they stopped at. You can do it face up like this. So at speed, it's basically this. Right? Very deceptive. Again, so bottom. You can see you stop right here. This is my prediction, and you flip everything over, and you have a perfect match. So that's the way I'm going to do it, because I use this move for another similar trick, but with 2 selections, which Works great too, but this one is very impromptu. You can take anybody's deck and do it because you need to start shuffle. That makes it very powerful, just like a hands-off kind of thing. Okay, so that's Mr. Bannon again. Very good trick, very deceptive because of the layers of the mixing, and the first card is another prediction and all that stuff. So it's another little goodie. I hope you like it.